Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder. Today we are diving into Septerna's latest 8K filing. No, it's not a new Star Wars droid, it's a report about some important events that investors should know about. This one is like a quick checkup, not the full annual physical, but it still gives us some vital signs. We will break down the key announcements and what they could mean for the company's future. This report, filed on March 27, 2025, is a snapshot of significant events for Septerna. It's like the company is shouting, hey, look at this, to all its investors. The main thing in this report is the announcement of their financial results for the last 3 months of 2024 and the entire year. So the big news is the financial results. Septerna released a press release about how they did in the fourth quarter and the whole year of 2024. Think of this as the company's report card showing their revenues, expenses, and profits. This is where you can find all the numbers and details of their financial performance. Now, this part of the report isn't officially filed with the SEC in a way that makes the company liable for everything in it, but it's still important information for investors. They are providing it, but with slightly less legal responsibility attached to it. Septerna is listed on the Nasdaq Global Market under the ticker symbol SEPN, so if you want to check their stock price, that's where to look. This tells you where their stock is traded. Now, what does all this mean? Well, Septerna is a company that's considered an emerging growth company. That basically means they are still in the early stages of development. Now for the interesting part, let's dive into the opinion part. Septerna is an emerging growth company, which means they're still finding their footing in the market. The fact that they're sharing their financial results is a good sign of transparency. Even if the legal weight behind the announcement is a little lighter than other filings, it tells investors that Septerna is willing to share how they are performing. One thing to keep in mind is that emerging growth companies often have higher risks, but also higher potential rewards. It is often the case for those companies to burn a lot of cash to grow. Investors need to decide if they believe in the company's long-term vision and ability to execute its plan. While this 8K doesn't give us a ton of information, it does point us to the press release. From there, we can dig into the actual numbers and get a better sense of Septerna's financial health and future prospects. As an investor, keeping an eye on these filings is crucial for staying informed and making smart decisions. Overall, Septerna is a company with a lot of potential, but it's still early in the game. Investors should keep a close eye on their financial performance and strategic decisions to see if they can deliver on their promises. Always do your own research. Thanks for watching. If you found this breakdown helpful, please give us a like, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more Corporate Decoder deep dives.